This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150,278 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, a River Rock interior, sleeps 10, microwave, refrigerator, TV antenna, LP detector, leveling jacks, slide-out, oven, stove-top burner, Colorado detector, air conditioning, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150,278 is 8,345 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.